జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. ఓ బ్రాహ్మణోత్తమ, you know what? By then, at that time, my husband Rama is just 25 years old. Mama bharta Mahateja Vayasa Panchavimsakaha. He is 25 years old. Ashtadasahi Varshani Mama Janmani Ganyate. I am 18 years old. At that time, I am 18, he is 25, and we came into this forest. Oh Brahmanottama, my husband Rama is such a great man. He has all kind of good qualities. Gunavan, Satyavan, he always speak truth. Suchihi, he is pure. Visalaksho, his eyes are wide. Mahabahu, he has great shoulders. O Brahmanottama, my husband Sarva Bhuta Hiterataha, he always wishes the welfare of each and every entity. O Brahmanottama, so what happened is, his father Dasaratha Maharaju, now he had to grant the boons to Kaika. That is why he did not give the kingdom to my husband Rama. O Brahmanottama, when my husband Rama went to Dasaratha Maharaju at the time of Pattabhishekam, Kaikamma was there. Kaikamma, without any hesitation, with all kind of boldness, she said to my Rama on his face that, "Oh Rama, your father cannot talk to you now. Whatever your father wants to communicate with you, now I am going to tell you. Listen to me very carefully. Come on, give this kingdom to your brother Bharata. You go to the forest Nava Varshani Panchacha and live in the forest for 14 years. These are the orders from your father. You try to follow your father's orders. You have to do that." Like that, Kaikamma said to my husband Rama. O Brahmanottama, my Rama, he is very strong. He does never get scared from anything. So he said, "Okay, I will go." Like that, he just told on her face, and we both ended up in this forest now. O Brahmanottama, my husband Rama never begs anything from anyone. He gives everything to everyone. He is such great Dharmatma. Then what happened is, when we are coming to the forest, Rama's stepmother's son Lakshmana also joined us. Lakshmana is such a great man. He is a very strong man, and he kills the enemies just like that. Always he is associated with Rama. He never leaves my husband Rama. Lakshmana is very righteous man, and very, very great zeal he has. Once he commits, he does it. To that extent, Lakshmana is such a great man. That Lakshmana also joined us. Lakshmana never leaves his brother Rama alone. Like that, Sitamma saying everything to that Brahmana who is Ravana. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. a special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.